Don't you wish you could just eat a donut and would have no calories? Well, the search is over, because today we will be making an extremely low-fat donut that tastes exactly like a regular fried donut. To start, we are going to add 1 1/8 cup of warm milk to a large mixing bowl. To that, we will add a 1/4 cup of sugar, some food for our yeast. Now for our yeast, we will add 2 1/4 tablespoons of instant or active dry yeast. Whisk together to combine, then let it sit for 5 minutes. Next, for our fat, we are going to add 10 tablespoons of melted butter. For a slightly healthier option, you can use an equal amount of canola oil. Then after that, we will add 2 large eggs. Followed up by a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget to add the salt. It might be a small amount, but very important for the taste. We will then whisk it all together. If you like making unhealthy recipes healthier at home, and you enjoy baking and cooking, I highly recommend you subscribe right now so you don't miss out on any other low-calorie recipes coming out. Now for our flour, we are going to add 4 cups of all-purpose flour to our wet ingredients. Slowly mix in 1 cup of flour at a time until you have completely mixed in your flour and a dough has formed. Lightly oil a bowl so your dough doesn't stick, and we are going to refrigerate it for at least 2 hours or overnight. So seal with saran wrap and add a smiley face and put it in the refrigerator. After it has finished rising, pour out onto your counter and start rolling it with a rolling pin, or a makeshift rolling pin like me. Once it's about a 1/2 inch thick, use a cookie cutter to cut out your circles. If you don't have one like me, you can just use a bowl and that will work too. Once again, for the middle, if you have a cookie cutter, that works great. Or you can just use a large icing tip. Place your cut donuts on a slightly greased tray or plate. Cover with a towel and let them rise until double in size. Now time for our trick to cut down on a lot of those calories. We are going to air fry our donuts, not deep fry them. So lightly grease them and place them in a 350-degree air fryer. We are going to cook them until golden, which is about 4 minutes. Now to make our glaze, we are going to melt a 1/2 cup of butter. To that, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla for a little flavor. For our structure, we are going to add 4 cups of powdered sugar and mix together. Once it starts coming together, add some milk to thin it out, about 3 tablespoons give or take. Then dip your donuts in the glaze. Additionally, you can throw in some sprinkles if you would like those. If you enjoyed this video, I am sure you enjoy the video that just popped up on the left of your screen. Enjoy!